In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize any YouTube video with Claude. By the end, you'll be able to turn any video into a clear, concise summary in just a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is simply the quickest way to navigate. In the search bar, type the name of the YouTube video you want to summarize. Then click through to the video on YouTube. If you already have the link, you can paste it directly into your browser and go straight to the video page. Once you're on the video page, look underneath the player and click the description area to expand it. On many videos, you'll see a More button. Click that to reveal the full description. This is where YouTube also gives you access to the transcript. Next, look for the Show Transcript option. Depending on your layout, it may appear directly under the description or behind a small menu. Click Show Transcript, and YouTube will open a transcript panel. If you see timestamps on the left, you can usually toggle them off so you get clean text. If multiple languages are available, choose the one you prefer for the most accurate summary later. Now, select the transcript text. Click at the top, drag down to the bottom, and copy it. If the transcript is long, don't worry. Copy it all. The goal is to capture the full content so your summary reflects the entire video. A quick tip: if you grab timestamps, you can remove them before pasting, but it's perfectly fine to paste as is. Open a new tab and go to Claude at Claude AI. Start a new chat and paste the transcript into the message box. You should see the text appear as a single block. Give it a second if it's large. Your browser may take a moment. Now, add a simple instruction above or below the transcript. For example, type, "Summarize this YouTube video." If you want a particular style or length, you can mention that too, such as asking for a concise overview or key takeaways, though a plain request works well. Finally, click Submit. Claude will read through the transcript and generate a structured summary that captures the main points, context, and any notable details from the video. Once you have the summary, you can ask follow-up questions to clarify sections, expand on specific parts, or request a shorter or more detailed version. That's it. You found the video, opened its transcript, copied it, pasted it into Claude, gave a clear prompt, and submitted. Enjoy turning long videos into quick, meaningful insights whenever you need them.